Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance verification failed in 2025. So a lot of users are getting this type of error where they are not able to basically verify their Binance account, or due to some reasons their Binance verification is getting failed. So if you have applied for your Binance verification and you received an email that your verification is not completed, I would recommend you to simply just go through that email closely, and in that email you must be able to find a reason why your application was rejected, and you will have to simply resolve that issue, and this way you will have to simply submit the application again and you will be able to verify your account. Now if this method isn't working for you, or if you are facing any other problem while completing this step, what you can do is you can simply contact the Binance customer support team. For that, you need to launch your Binance app, then tap on the Binance icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, you just have to simply try to find the help option. So tap on the more services, and here in the more services, you will be able to see the chat room option, or you can even just try to get their email address. So I would recommend you to go with the chat room. So tap on the chat room option, and then you will be landed on this type of page. Now over here you can just simply log in into your account, and you just have to simply talk to the Binance customer service executive and tell them that your verification is not completed or you are facing any problems, and they are going to help you in this regard. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.